Hi everyone, I hope everyone is good and feeling happy inside homes. Okay, we are going to continue our lessons and our distance learning. This time we are still in unit number 9, Advances in Science and Technology, and we are going to talk, of course, or we are going to concentrate this time on vocabulary lesson. And in this video, we are going to discover what is the difference between science and technology, and then again we are going to learn some words, some vocabulary related to the same theme, science and technology. So we'll get started. As we see here, we have this question: what is the difference between science and technology? And to answer this question, I have chosen for you two simple definitions or explanations. The first one is science is studying natural phenomena and producing knowledge about the world. It's based on observation and experimenting. Technology is designing and building tools and systems to make life easier, safer, and more enjoyable. So the difference between the two: science is a theoretical basis for technology. So in science, we learn, we study, we observe, we experiment, we search in order to make knowledge, to end up with knowledge about something. Technology is using that knowledge to design and build systems and tools and gadgets to make life easier. So let's see an exercise to discover more about this. Fill in the word web with as many words as you can. So here we have science and technology, and each one has different words related to it. So as you see, there is already some examples there. For science, physics is an example. In technology, computer. I'd like you to take a few minutes and try to fill the gap, to fill the web with words related to each category. Well, since you have finished, okay, we continue. So here, talking about science, we can talk about physics, we can talk about engineering, maths, astronomy, studying the space and the galaxy, the planets, etc. And then here, of course, we can talk about researching and discovering, etc. For technology, we can talk about computers, of course, and then cars, planes, smartphones, robotics, again, cameras. We have highly sophisticated cameras today thanks to technology. And then we also can talk about trains with the high speed trains working with solar energy and with electricity rather than coal, which is used to be in the past. So this is just a small view about what is science and what is technology. Now let's go to some vocabulary and expand our vocabulary. As you see in this exercise, do you know the names of these gadgets and these devices? The question says, match the following words with the appropriate letters of the pictures. So as you see, we have 12 words or 12 names and 12 pictures. All you need to do is you match them. But before you do that, let's study the pronunciation of the words. Number one is solar car. Number two, memory stick. 3, telescope. 4, robotic prostheses. 5, interactive whiteboard. 6, digital camera. 7, laptop. 8, robots. 9, heat scanner. 10, satellite. 11, iPod. 12, windmill. Great. Now take a few minutes, try to answer. Well, since you finished, let's go. So number one, which is solar car, can be matched to picture H, a solar car. It's a car working with solar energy. There is no fuel, no gasoline, no petrol. Great. Number two, memory stick, is picture F. You can use a memory stick to store your documents, your videos, and your personal data. 3, telescope. Yes, it's picture G. We use a telescope to discover the space, to make things nearer when you see them. Yes. 4, robotic prostheses. It's a new technology that helps people, handicapped people, people with disabilities to continue their life easily. 5. Interactive whiteboard. It's picture B. Interactive whiteboard is like a big computer or screen in which you can type, write, watch, do very sophisticated things. 6. Digital camera. Of course, you know, camera can be used to take pictures, videos. So this is picture D. 7. Laptop. It's picture E. Yes. And then 8. Robots. That's picture A. Robots are gadgets and machines that are discovered and developed by people to do very difficult jobs as human beings. 9. Head scanner. Yes, it's for health, so that's picture L. Great. 10. That's satellite. It's picture I, yeah. And then 11. It's picture C. iPod. Picture C, used for music. And then finally 12, the last one, windmill. That's a windmill. It's picture K. So I hope the pictures and the words are clear. I hope you learn them by heart and you add them to your lexical repertoire. Great. We move now to another exercise, this time with some collocations. So match the words in A to those in B to make appropriate collocations. Great. So take a few minutes again and try to do this exercise. And of course, you know, collocation is a two word or more that go together to give a new meaning. Okay, you go ahead. Great. Let's continue. So here, remote. Remote is remote control. Yes. Generic engineering. Telephone booth. Internet addiction. Atomic bomb. Online shopping, and finally DVD piracy. Right, so these are collocations. We are going to use them in the next exercise to fill the gaps in these sentences. So take a few minutes again and try to fill and study the sentences and then fill in the gaps with the right collocation from exercise D. Great, let's go. So number 1, I am tired of watching this TV program. Could you pass the remote control so that I can zap to another channel? Excellent. Yes. Number 2, very good. It's online shopping is gaining ground nowadays. You can buy whatever you like anywhere and anytime from your home. All you need to do is press the keyboard buttons. Great. Number 3, making calls from a very good telephone booth costs much less than from a cellular phone. 4, during the Second World War, USA dropped 2 atomic bombs on in Hiroshima and Nagasaki, which left thousands of victims. 5, thanks to generic engineering, the world population will no longer suffer from food shortage. 6, a large number of young people are developing excellent internet addiction. They spend hours in front of their magic screens. Finally, DVD companies are losing huge sums of money due to DVD piracy. Great. So it seems that you understood the words. That's a great job, guys. Great. We move to the next exercise. Fill the chart below with the right numbers. So here you have a set of words from 1 to 21, and then you just need to classify them in the table according to the right category or to the right item. So here we have scientific discoveries, technological inventions, and then sciences. Take a few minutes again, try to do it. Great. Let's correct. So number 1, Newton's law of gravity. This is a scientific discovery. Excellent. Life sciences like biology, zoology and botany, genetics, these are sciences. Excellent. Yes. Earth is not the center of the universe. Yes, great. It's scientific discovery. Airplane, cars, the telephone, the satellite, all of these are technological inventions. Great. Einstein's principles of relativity. Yes, very good. That's a scientific discovery. The train, yes, invention. Physical science, that's scientific discovery. Edison's electric light bulb, yes, that's an invention. Robots, cell phones, also these are inventions. Internet, radio, again, they are still inventions. Great. Exact sciences like mathematics, optics, astronomy, physics, these are sciences. The telegraph, the camera, both of them are inventions. Darwin's theory of evolution, yes, that's a scientific discovery. Human sciences like philosophy, sociology, psychology, history, these are sciences. Yes, finally we are left with video games, which is of course the technological invention. Great, I hope it's clear and the lesson is clear and you understand every single item and word. So this is it, the end. This is me again, your teacher. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for your time. And this is the end. See you in another lesson. Thank you.